Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings gents, I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. I'm going to give you a quick tip right now. I'm going to show you how to eliminate the blade overhang on just about any safety razor. I'm not talking about the reveal right here on the cutting edge. I'm talking about the overhang on both sides of the safety razor. This is where you can possibly spin around, and when you're tightening it, you can slice your fingers on that overhang on the corners. Yes, you can always go like this and tighten it with a towel and not worry about slicing your fingers, no problem. But by doing this, it will also eliminate the problem of you shaving underneath your nose and possibly nicking the bottom side of your nose. This will allow you to shave closer under your nose once you eliminate that blade overhang. So if you want to get rid of that, check out this little video I made for you. Hopefully it helps. Today I'm going to show you how to eliminate the blade overhang. It's quick and easy. All you need is the razor, the blade, and a pair of scissors. Let's get to work. Here we have a look at a very common razor. This is the Merkur 34C. The workhorse of the industry, I like to call it. Well, there's one issue right here that you can see. It's called blade overhang. I'm not talking about this part where the blade reveal comes out, the part that you shave with. I'm talking about blade overhang, which is right here. On both sides of the razor, you can see that that blade hangs out. It extends a little bit further than the top cap and safety bar. So as a result, when you're spinning to tighten the knob at the bottom, if your hands are slippery or wet, you can spin this around and slice your fingers on the corners of the blade here. So one way to eliminate that problem is get yourself a Sharpie. Just mark that edge with the Sharpie on both sides, like so. Then disassemble. You can easily see your blue marks on either side of the blade here. Now we'll take the scissors and just snip off that portion. Just snip off the blue line on both sides. Just like that. And be sure to dispose of these bits safely and carefully. Reinstall the blade. Reassemble the razor. Voila, no more blade reveal. You can see that the blade reveal is a thing of the past. Check out my other video. I'll put a link up in the corner. How to shim a razor to make it more aggressive. If you want to pick up any shaving items, just click under the video where it says show more, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. Please click that subscribe button, and then click the bell, and then click all, so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox, and you won't miss any. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.